Ever since DJI launched the original Mavic Mini, its ultra-light sub-250-gram drones have become the go-to choice for hobbyists, travelers, and even professionals who want high-quality aerial imaging without the burden of registration in many regions. The Mini 4 Pro elevated this concept further by introducing 360-degree obstacle avoidance, a powerful 1.3-inch 48-megapixel sensor, and smart shooting features like active track and waypoints. In its Fly More combo, users get an RC2 controller, 3 batteries offering over 100 minutes of flight time, a charging hub, prop guards, a carrying bag, and all necessary cables, delivering immense value in a palm-sized package. Capable of 4K 60 HDR video, the Mini 4 Pro established itself as a leading tool for content creators who needed a reliable, compact, and feature-rich drone. Now, all eyes are on the rumored DJI Mini 5 Pro, which, if leaks and early reports prove accurate, could take the lightweight drone game to an entirely new level. The buzz centers around 5 significant upgrades: a larger sensor, enhanced AI-driven obstacle avoidance, advanced tracking capabilities, longer flight times, and expanded video functionality. The most exciting rumor involves a shift to a 1-inch type sensor, which would allow the Mini 5 Pro to gather more light and produce cleaner, more detailed imagery, particularly in low-light conditions. Combined with potential support for 4K, 120p slow motion, and full sensor readout, the camera upgrade alone could place it in competition with heavier, more expensive drones like the Air 3 or Mavic 3 Classic. Obstacle avoidance is also set for a major leap forward. While the Mini 4 Pro already offers full 360-degree sensing, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include neural processing capabilities. That means the drone could recognize and anticipate the movements of people, vehicles, and animals, planning evasive paths on the fly. With a system that understands context, not just objects, pilots would benefit from smoother, more confident flight, even in complex environments. Tying into this is the expected evolution of Active Track 360-degree, which could allow users to draw tracking paths directly on screen, enabling more dynamic and autonomous camera movements while following subjects. Battery life, a critical factor for any drone pilot, is another area where DJI appears to be pushing boundaries. The Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute flight time is already excellent, but the Mini 5 Pro may stretch that to 38 or even 40 minutes with denser battery cells and improved propeller efficiency. This could allow filmmakers and adventurers to get more usable footage per charge, reducing downtime between flights. Importantly, DJI might continue offering 2 battery types, standard for staying under 250 grams and plus versions for extended flight, which automatically activate remote ID when necessary. This provides flexibility for both recreational and commercial users navigating evolving drone regulations. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to bring big changes to video quality. Native vertical capture, introduced on the Mini 3 Pro, might now support 4K JOX 60 HDR in portrait mode. Horizontal shooting could go as high as 4K JOS 120p, and internal 10-bit HLG or ProRes recording may be available, without the need for an external recorder. That would be a huge win for content creators seeking to minimize post-production time while maximizing footage quality. These features could allow the Mini 5 Pro to match or even surpass the output of older models in DJI's Air or Mavic lines, all while fitting in a jacket pocket. Comparing the Mini 5 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro highlights just how far DJI might be taking its portable drone lineup. In terms of imaging, the jump from a 1.3-inch sensor to a 1-inch chip would result in significantly improved low-light performance and dynamic range, especially when paired with enhanced processing and 10-bit recording. For users capturing night scenes, cityscapes, or weddings, the Mini 5 Pro's footage would offer cleaner shadows and smoother gradients, perfect for grading in post. Furthermore, if 4K 120p is indeed on board, filmmakers would gain access to crisp, slow-motion shots in tight, dynamic scenes that demand both speed and detail. Battery life and flight endurance are also receiving a notable bump. While the Mini 4 Pro offers a reliable 28 to 30 minutes of real-world flight time, the Mini 5 Pro's improved aerodynamics and smarter energy management could realistically push that closer to 32 or 33 minutes, even without the Plus battery. For creators hiking to remote locations or working in time-sensitive environments, those few extra minutes per flight can make a significant difference. Add in smarter wind compensation and more responsive obstacle detection, and the Mini 5 Pro could feel like a much more mature and confident platform in unpredictable outdoor conditions. Obstacle sensing is another area of potential superiority. The Mini 4 Pro's APAS system already excels in object detection and avoidance, but the Mini 5 Pro may push this even further by incorporating machine learning. That means the drone wouldn't just avoid obstacles. It would understand what those obstacles are, how they might move, and how best to route around them. This would be especially useful for solo creators filming dynamic subjects like mountain bikers, hikers, or runners, where the path and pace can shift suddenly. With the rumored inclusion of ActiveTrack 360-degree and subject spline tracking, the Mini 5 Pro could offer a near-cinematic look with minimal pilot intervention. Transmission quality also looks to be getting a boost. The Mini 4 Pro's OcuSync 4 delivers 1080p video over 20 kilometers in FCC regions, which is excellent for line-of-sight control. But the Mini 5 Pro may introduce a multi-band system that intelligently switches between 2.4, 5.1 and 5.8 GHz frequencies to better handle interference in congested urban or suburban areas. Pair this with a new RC3 controller featuring a brighter 1000 nit display and an improved antenna design, and users could expect more stable, longer range communication even in tricky environments. As for accessories, leaks suggest the Fly More combo for the Mini 5 Pro will include updated low-noise props, a faster charging hub with USB-C PD support, a redesigned carrying bag, and even a quick-release prop cage for safe indoor use. It may also support DJI's Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controllers, opening the door to a hybrid FPV experience with real-time 1080p, Touch 100 FPS viewing, and motion-based flight control. That blend of cinematic stability and immersive feedback could be especially appealing to hybrid creators looking to add a splash of FPV energy to their productions without switching platforms. In practical terms, the Mini 5 Pro looks like a dream for two kinds of users. Ultimately, the DJI Mini 5 Pro represents a bold evolution of DJI's mission to shrink nothing but the drone's size. If it truly delivers 1-inch sensor performance, advanced AI tracking, longer flights, and pro-grade video, all under 250 grams, it could redefine what a compact drone can achieve. Whether you're upgrading or buying your first drone, the Mini 5 Pro looks poised to become the new benchmark in ultra-light aerial cinematography.